on our daily walk.
Day of release.
This is what I got on our walk today. I'm excited. Don't say that. That's so cool. Okay, this is a found footage film. If you don't hear back from us, we went down here. Jess and I are going to go to a secret screening at Cineworld, and we have no idea what the movie is.
All we know is that it's age rated 15 and it's 90 minutes.
So I think we're super pumped. I'm really excited. Let's go. Go.
Hey vlog, we just got back from secret screening number 15 at Cineworld, and it was, I swear,
It was really, really good.
It was so good. I give it 5 stars. Jade?
I also gave it 5 stars. It was so good. We were both crying at the end of it.
Highly recommend if you haven't seen it. Go watch.
Yeah.
Bye guys.
Good night. Good.
Yeah, be proud of yourself.
I'd
buy that.
Really?
I'd pay £5 for that.
You guys look so concentrated.
My heart is beating really fast.
Girl, that Red Bull.
I'm eating breakfast now. This does not look that good, but it's basically just egg fried rice with miso. And I know this doesn't look that appetizing, but it's actually pretty good. I'm gonna eat this, and then I'm heading off to the gym with Sam. I didn't really go much to the gym last week, so I think I really need to like pick things back up.
Literally have like a converted.
Go. Yesterday night, I was watching a lot of the Buccaneers. I am really, really enjoying it. I also did a little bit of watercolor painting. So I started with some blood oranges, and I did that in watercolor, and now I'm just going to switch over to oil pastel. This is a new pack that I got, and I am also going to eat some lunch. So I have this big bowl of, honestly, there's like a lot in here. So I've got some elote street corn that I made, and then some prawns, as well as a little bit of leftover ground beef from yesterday's night meal, and some red onion and some more sweet corn and some cheese, but it looks really good. So I'm just gonna do that now and eat. I leave at 2:30 because I picked up a shift at work, so I am just gonna chill here for now until then. It was pitch black at 7. What happened to light until 8? What happened to that? Okay.
Today is the 26th of September 2025, which means it's Olivia Dean, The Art of Loving release day, and I just got a poster, which I have not seen yet.
Dun 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 dun. Oh,
She's so cool.
that's a really good poster.
Going right above my bed, where I can worship her forever.
Wow.
Olivia Dean, if you see this, please be my friend.
Just a small ask. Just a small favor. Be my friend.